males patrolling this area, and they don't like to share. An adult male could easily kill her cubs. He needs all that as fat and protein to sustain himself through the winter. And her cubs do too. But it is too dangerous to stay here. They will have to find a new place to fish. And with each passing day, the weather is getting worse. But her son is becoming increasingly exhausted. He is struggling. Despite her very best efforts, she simply can't find enough food for all three of them. For her son, it may already be too late. She refuses to give up. She has done all she can. Even finding the strength to feed seems to be an effort for him. With winters like this, only half of the cubs will survive their first year. But this mother's determination has given both her cubs a chance.